Nanny Gato, and too money, Nanny Gato. This is my channel, Nanny Gato. Welcome back to my channel, thumbs up.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Last week we didn't know what it was that we were going to do after we did our 5 days of Valentine's eyeshadow tutorials. Now it's February. It is also Black History Month, y'all. So I have decided that I am going to do another series of Black History inspired makeup tutorials, eyeshadow tutorials. So today's look is inspired by Rastafarians. So this is the ice golden green that is represented by Rastafarians. But this goes back to Africa, our motherland. So as you can see, I'm wearing my Ankara fabric here, and I've got Africa right here with the Rastafarian colors. I'm just going to go through and let you know what the colors represent. So the ice is the red, which should be first, but that combination did not work for me, so I went with the yellow first, then the red, then the green. But the ice is the red color, and that represents the blood that was spilt by all the Rastafarians, all the Africans, all the slaves, black people in general, all the blood that's been spilled. Even up to now, black people's blood is still being spilled on the streets. So that's what the red represents. The gold, which is the yellow, represents the richness of Africa, and the green represents the forestry, like how green it is in Africa, our motherland. So that's what the colors represent, and I'm just going to jump right into it, and I'm going to show you how I achieve this look. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below if you have any questions, or just to say that you like it. Give it a thumbs up. Okay.
Well, them can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for spend.
Right, you guys, so as per usual, we'll be starting out with one eye completed. This is the look that we're just going to replicate over here. I'm starting off with one brow already completed, and this is the Colourpop Bracken Brown Pomade and the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, and this is Toffee. So I'm going to go in with the Revolution Conceal and Define C0. Keep calling this C1 for some reason, but it is C0, so even if you do hear me say C1, it's C0. Today we are going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is the only palette that we'll be using to achieve our look today. We're going to start off using the red color right here, and we're just going to put that below our brow bone. The next color we're going to go in with is going to be the black shade, which is down here. Now that we've finished putting the black on, we're just going to go in and cut our crease with the Revolution Conceal and Define C0. Now that that is tacky, we're going to go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going to be using the yellow here, the red here, and we're going to be mixing these two greens here. Okay? Alright, so I'm just gonna go in and put on my gold glitters, like over here, right here, just where the crease is cut, and I'm gonna go in using the the gold liquid liner. But if you've watched my videos before, you will know that I don't think that this is shimmery enough. So what I normally do is I take this and I will dip it into here, and then I'll put it over the lid. So that is done. The glitters are on. So this eye is completed. I'm just gonna pop off camera and finish putting on my lashes and my base, and I'll be back. Right, you guys, and we are back. This is the completed look. I literally just did my under eye and put my lashes on and did my base off line off camera and came back. So I hope that you like the completed look. I'll see you guys on Wednesday for my next look. Okay.